Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Learn Ethical Hacking from Zero using OverTheWire Bandit. And this is the level 30 and episode 27. Okay, so in this level, there is a Git repository again, all the same question, just the Bandit from 28, it is changed to Bandit 29. Okay, again from our local machine, we need to do the same thing. You can read it out, there is no issue. So again, we will copy this, we will go here, and again, we will specify the port number after the IP, and the IP, as you know already, the IP is this, Bandit Labs over the wire org. So we again need to clone the thing. Okay, as you can see, SSH username at the rate IP after IP port number, after port number the directory. It will ask for the password. We need to give the password. And after giving the password, we can see we got repo. So if we will see again, we got a readme file. So if we will go with cat readme, there is no passwords, but we can see the log also. So if we see logs, we can see initial commit. Let's see this has what this does. So git log are the commands, like whatever command I am giving, you can read it out here from the manual page of git, or you can say the help section. Here you can see all the things, logs, so committed logs, various type of object, status, grep, bisect, logfile, branch, commit, etc. So right now we are going with git log and we are going to git checkout. Okay, so that is this. Now we will again give the command cat because we change the head. We change the head at this to this hash of the value. Again, there is nothing, just the password is updated, as you can see. Not the password, sorry, the username. The username, when it was initialized in the starting, it was bandit 29, but now it's bandit 30. So from the both logs, we find nothing. But there are more things which we can see, like if there is a developer. As you know, Git is the time machine for the projects. It stores all the things, like these things: who committed, when drawer committed. This is the I mean, think the username, IP, whatever. Then the date, timestamp, everything. What happened? Fixed username. This is the hash value. Where is the head? Head is inside the master. Towards the master. Head is the path. Head is saying that this project is right now in the where head state, the master one. I hope you guys can understand. If you guys can understand Git, then you can understand what is head. Okay, that is not a big issue. So let's do something else. So for that, we will need to see different branches. For that, if we will just give git branch, then it will give all the local hosts. It means local hosted, you can say, branches. Local hosted branch means whatever my machine have. But if we will give one more thing, that's A, then it will give all the things. Like from the GitHub server, it is giving me data that there are 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total 4 real time, you can say, branches over the Git server of this repository. So we need to check one by one in which branch it is there. So for that, we are going to give command git checkout here. When we will do this, we switch to a new branch dev, and where we will give ls. Okay, we again got a readme file. Not car, it's cat read.m. Oh, here the thing. In the first branch, we got the password, so we don't need to move ahead. So we will just save the password. Okay. So now let's understand some commands, then we will move to some conclusion. So what is the difference between the git branch and git branch dash a? If you will give this command git branch, then this will just show the localhost data. Like localhost basically means that the data over your system, not over the internet, just over your system. And if you will see the branch A, then in branch A, you are seeing over the the data over the internet also. Means the server. On the server of GitHub, whatever branches are committed while making the project, you can see that. So when we shifted to this branch, we got the files of that branch, and in that branch there was the password, so we got the password. So this was very easy room. You just need to understand Git. So study Git, then you can understand it all. It's very easy. I hope you like the room. This was just the fundamental and for learning. In real life also, companies do these kind of silly mistakes. So you just need to find the vulnerabilities. I hope you like the room. So stay safe, stay secure. Bye bye, regards, friend. Have a good day. Let's see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe.